You see, the strategy in Kali Yuga has to be different. In Dwapar Yuga was different. When Balaramji saw Romharshana Sutta sitting like this, when Balaramji has come, है ना? क्या किया? He took a straw and straw say he killed him. Just by straw. But in Kali Yuga, the same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches us, same Balaramji teaches us, Nityananda Prabhu, to put straw in the mouth. And he used to go house to house and beg with Haridas Thakur. My dear sir, now you see meaning, same Balaramji is not killing people in Kali Yuga. Rather, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to kill Jagai Madai, he said, not in this age. Not in this age. Don't lift weapon. What did Balaramji did? In Kali Yuga, he puts a straw in his mouth and begs, please chant Hare Krishna. Haridas Thakur and Nityananda Prabhu approached Jagai and Madai with great humility. Please chant Hare Krishna. Even when the Madai hit his head, Nityananda Prabhu said, please chant Hare Krishna. So if he can develop these Vaishnava qualities, the 26 qualities of a Vaishnava, really amazing. But why it is difficult? Because our false ego becomes visible.